here by my husband Rick.
Hello. Hello.
Hi.
Welcome to late night. It's 9 o'clock and we're going to be sampling coffees.
9 o'clock at night, 9 p.m.
9 p.m. Yeah.
Way too late.
I don't know why we're not doing decaf coffees.
We should.
I think we should take a bunch of different decafs and put them up against each other and see which one is the best. That could be a good episode coming up, actually.
Yeah, let's try that.
Yeah.
So, we usually talk about your choice in t-shirts.
Yeah. So, yeah, got good old Joe Satriani.
Yes.
He's an awesome guitar player. Glenn Larson, my buddy, we went and seen Joe in concert back in, I think it was 2016. And we had a good time. Now, Glenn knows this. I mean, he's follically challenged like me, built for speed. So Joe Satriani was like a bit of a hair club for men convention.
Okay.
Yeah, it was good. It was good. But you have no idea why I'm wearing this. So last week, you completely mind mushed me. I'm sitting here thinking, what are you talking about? You're going off about aliens on the other side of the moon. And I'm like, oh my Lord, what are you doing to me? And so Joe Satriani, he did. The big hit of his was Surfing with the Alien.
Oh.
There we go. And even my watch goes ding.
Wow.
Surfing with the Alien. There you go. So Joe's behind us right now, rocking out. And yeah, a great song. So it kind of ties together with your little alien conspiracy theory and the Autobots and Transformers.
All right.
There you go.
Well.
Method to my madness.
Okay. You'll have to play that song for me.
It's a good song.
But Joe is a pretty talented, is he a technical type guitarist?
Oh yeah.
Or...
Yeah, super technical.
And what do you mean by technical?
Just very proficient. Like, I mean, there's a lot of mainstream guitar players who've gone to him for lessons. So Steve Vai's got tips from him, Kirk Hammett from Metallica. A lot of guys have really revered Satch as being one of the greats. Yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah, fun concert.
So, what do you think?
I think we have some new coffees to try here. Now, frog friendly. Tell me about it. I don't know anything about this company.
Well, I kind of want you to explain it. So, this is coffee from... Where are the beans
How am I
from?
going to explain it? I don't know anything about
You
it.
can read right off the bag.
Wild harvested from our piece of paradise in the Oaxaca cloud forest. Oaxaca. I don't know. Some forest. I'll put the spelling behind me.
Do you want to learn how to pronounce that correctly?
Probably a good idea. Hooked on phonics worked for me. What is it?
Oh my god. Okay, so it's Spanish.
Okay.
Right? So wa,
Yeah.
ha, ka, Oaxaca.
Oaxaca. Hey man, I'm not making this stuff up. You look at it and tell me that
You
doesn't
can
say...
just show them the front of the bag at the top there. Probably see it a
Yeah,
little
it
better.
says dark. Yes, in the Oaxaca.
You're awesome.
I don't speak Spanish. No hable español.
I thought you took Spanish in high school.
No.
Oh,
French.
okay. My
French.
mistake.
There's no, not Spanish. See?
Okay, so this company sources its beans from Oaxaca, Mexico, and they're located... Oh my god.
Oaxaca. It's like I'm
Just
having a
say it,
spasm.
girl.
Oaxaca.
Oh my god.
Hey, I'm sorry to everybody in Oaxaca. I butchered your name, but it's cracking me up right now. I'm sorry.
Yeah, English speaking dude. No background in other languages.
Norwegian.
You don't speak Norwegian?
I speak enough.
Okay, whatever.
When do we eat?
Oh my god.
Thank you for the food. I need to use the washroom. Too late, I've already used the washroom. You know, all the important things.
But you just said that all in English.
Yeah. Yeah, well.
Oh my God. Okay, so
It's late, man.
Frog Friendly Coffee Company is located in Canoe, BC. Oh my God.
Do you want me to help you with that? BC. I'm good at that one.
And they're off the shores of beautiful Shuswap Lake, up in northern BC, or mid.
There you're going to say the shores of the Gitchigumi.
Can we please try the coffee now? This is just not going well.
It looks like it's interesting coffee, so let's try it out.
Please. All right, so let's try the medium roast.
All right.
Cheers.
Cheers. It's another one that's bold for a medium. Lots of flavor going on there.
Not too bold though. It's a rich medium.
Yeah, definitely. Like it's not a like a kind of a softer palate. It's a little bit more flavor going on. It's good though.
Yeah, that's kind of like a cocoa.
Yeah, and a little bit smoky.
Yeah.
Let's try this one. This one is which one?
Dark.
Dark. All right. Yeah, you definitely get that there's a little bit darker with that one. Mm-hmm. Yeah. 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 It's interesting, a little bit of notes in the front, and then it sort of flattens out a little bit, and then a little bit at the back of the tongue. Mm-hmm. Right? And having had that, you can definitely taste the difference between the medium and the dark.
Indeed.
Right. Very nice, though. Very well done, guys.
I feel that one lingers longer.
Yeah. Yeah, it does.
Richer flavor. And another thing I did not point out is that these are also low acidity beans.
Oh, okay, good.
Yeah.
Let's dive into a latte.
Oh, yes. Very nice.
Oh yeah. So yeah, that's my go-to, my jam there, right there.
Weekend morning coffee.
Yeah, for sure, for sure. Easy drinking, right? Mm-hmm. I'm making a mess here now, and you already had a mess, and you got me on that.
You made me laugh.
Yeah, blame me.
Okay, well, you'll have to cut that one out.
Nope.
Yes.
You're really making a mess.
I'm trying to enjoy the coffee, and you're making it very hard.
Get you a dribble cup.
It's just way too late.
Folks, you watch it at home, you actually see the difference in quality of filming earlier in the day compared to filming
No
late
kidding.
at night.
No kidding. Oh my. Delicious though. This is, oh.
You know what? It's unfortunate it's late because I could literally drink that whole thing. It's really, really good. After you. Careful what you're doing there now. Oh, and the guy with the shaky hand makes the whole way over, no problem. Now it's like you just don't care. It's like, screw it.
I don't know what to say anymore.
Oh, man.
Okay, what did you think of the dark?
I think it's really tasty. It is.
Yeah, it's really nice.
I have to say, all around, all 4 cups are winners. They're really good. Mm-hmm. I wonder how it would be as an Americano. It's really nice.
It is. Mm-hmm. This to me would be an after lunch.
Yeah, but I mean, what I do notice, folks, and quite honestly, with everything of these, as Paula said, is that they are definitely, you can tell they're lower acid.
Yeah.
I can tell. I can just tell the way that it's the taste and the taste when, you know, after you've swallowed it, it doesn't have any of that sort of an acid note to it.
Yeah.
It's really quite pleasant. So, I mean, you could actually have any of these, like you could actually go and have this first thing in the morning and not feel like it maybe upset your stomach. You know,
well, we'll have to try that out tomorrow.
Yeah.
In how many hours? 9?
Whatever.
10?
Whatever. I'm going fishing tomorrow, so who knows?
Oh, I forgot.
So yeah, no, it's great stuff, guys. Do they do decaf?
I believe so. I
Oh,
just
okay.
didn't see it because I bought this
Where'd you get it?
from a cafe called, I think it's the Red Velvet Cafe in Langley.
Oh, okay. Good. Shout out to the Red Velvet Cafe. Good job.
Yeah, thank you.
We will give a shout out to Frog Friendly Coffee here, and if you have some decaf, I'd love to try it. So let us know if you have some. Thank you so much. Hope you guys enjoyed this. We had fun with this segment. It's a late night insanity segment, and thank you.
Thank you.
If you like this video, folks, please give it a thumbs up, like it, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Are you like playing the...
Pardon me. Well, it's a little different from last week where I was like buzzing off
caffeine.
tons of caffeine. Today, not so much.
So don't forget to subscribe. Please hit the reminder bell so you don't miss any future content. Check out our store, groundsfordivorcecoffee.ca. Lots of great stuff in there for you, for equipment, for coffee makers, all the way to the different coffee beans and accessories. Until next week, have yourself a good one, and we will talk to you soon.
Ciao, ciao, guys.
Ciao.
Thank you.